Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your to-do list app. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here in this sign down here. So when you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings. When you click on settings here, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on notification reminder here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just go down and you click here on daily reminder ringtone here. You click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this, and here can you choose daily reminder ringtone in this list here. Can you select it in this list? That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.